Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Dodge Dart, and what we'll be doing guys, we'll show you where to find the fuse guys for the OBD Vent Valve, also known as the tank vent valve guys. Okay, that same fuse will be actually for the purge valve as well. You know, the canister valve and the purge valve, they work together. Canister valve is the one that sends the pressure from the fuel tank to the purge valve, opens and it releases it in the intake manifold. Now vent valve guys, it's by the fuel tank. We'll have a video how to replace it if you need to do that. You may get a code such as, I think it was P0499 if you have problems with it, but in today's video we'll explain which fuse to check. Some of you may have that fuse, some may not, and we'll explain if you don't what to expect. Quick introduction: every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now if you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below to see where we buy all the tools and parts from, and pretty much anything else you can find there for super good price, fast shipping as well. Now I'll go ahead, open the hood guys. Okay, and I'll show you what I'm talking about now. Okay, we have here 2015 Dodge Dart. We also guys have an engine out of Dodge Dart. This is the purge valve. That fuse is actually for the purge valve as well. You have one kind of like that valve that's in the fuel tank for the canister. It's known as Canister Vent Valve or OBD Vent Valve. So this is a 2015 Dodge Dart 2.4 engine. But you may have a 2.0, 1.4, and depending on the configuration, emissions and all that stuff, you may have or you may not have that fuse. But let me show you what to look for now. First guys, you open the fuse box here by pressing in and pulling up. Okay, like that. And on the back side you can see the fuse numbers printed here. Okay, you can see the one with T is relays, the one with F is fuses. So the fuse guys that we need to check now, it's fuse number 87, F87 right here. This is the first fuse past the relay, 87. So if you guys need to buy replacement fuses, okay, that fuse box and the whole assembly here guys, you can check the link in the description of the video below. Super affordable price, and we like to have spare fuses guys. So we go ahead and pull the fuse out. We'll go ahead and replace it with a new one. Now if you guys do not have that fuse, what to expect? If you don't have that fuse guys, you need to check all the fuses for your engine computer, engine control module, also known as ECM. This is guys the engine computer right here. Check all the fuses for that computer. You have 4 or 5 fuses, you need to check all of them, and that way guys, okay, one of those fuses will actually control the vent valve as well. On some models it's controlled by the ECU completely, so you may not have a fuse. It really depends guys, but if you have one, it will be right there. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do anything like that, trying to find this information. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.